The second keyboard is the Hyperx Alloy Elite 2 mechanical keyboard. It is an outstanding gaming keyboard. It features proprietary Hyperx red switches, which have a low actuation force. It has full RGB backlighting, and every key is macro programmable. It has features most gamers are looking for, such as macro programmable keys and customizable RGB backlighting. The proprietary Hyperx red switches provide a good typing experience and have a low actuation force. It feels well built with a steel plate on top, but the ABS keycaps feel like they're a bit cheap. The keys are well spaced, so you won't accidentally hit the wrong key. A sturdy steel frame provides durability, and the sturdy weight helps prevent slippage when it heats up. Pros: macro programmable keys, RGB backlighting, linear switches are easy to press, onboard memory. Cons: doesn't offer much in terms of ergonomics. ABS keycaps feel a bit cheap. For all gamers, the last option